Look at this. It is so delicious. Key lime pie. Added a few blueberries and blackberries to it. And very quick pie to make. And we're going to taste this and see what we got here. Got a little bit of crust on the bottom. It's fluffy. You can see the 3 different layers. The key lime Eagle Brand milk down at the bottom. And then the Cool Whip with the key lime juice. And then a little dab of Cool Whip on top. And some lemon zest. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Welcome to Sadie's Kitchen. I have got to cook a quick dessert here. I have company coming and I had some things in the refrigerator and I was thinking, what kind of quick dessert can we whip up in Sadie's Kitchen? Sadie's Kitchen is where you are going to learn how to fall in love with your kitchen and fall in love with cooking. And today we are cooking quick, fast, and in a hurry. So watch this dish come together in just a few minutes. So I found some Cool Whip in the refrigerator. I found 3 cans of Eagle Brand milk, but I'm only going to use 2. And I had some lime juice and some yogurt. So I took all that out and then we're gonna whip this dessert together right quick. I put my Eagle Brand milk in this bowl, and the way that we're going to make this thick is to add a little acidity to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is add our Greek yogurt to our Eagle Brand milk. There we go. And now we're going to stir this up. I had a large container of Cool Whip in the freezer, and so I'm just going to put a little bit of it in here. All right, got that. Whip that together, and it's going to make it light and fluffy. But the one thing we want this to do is to thicken up. And to thicken it up, we are going to put our key lime juice in here. This is going to come together nicely. So I used 2 cans of Eagle Brand milk, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of Cool Whip, and now I have 3/4 cup lime juice. So I'm going to put that in here, and it's the acidity from the lime juice is going to thicken it up right quick. It is thickening up right now as we speak. Da -da, da -da. Here we go. Look at that. It's thick already and it smells good. Yes. Whip it up just a little. I did not do a homemade crust because I had some graham cracker crust in the freezer and I took it out. And so we are going to pour this inside of our graham cracker crust. I am going to add just, I told you I cook by sight and by taste. And sometimes I don't follow the recipe, so I'm going to put just a little bit more lime juice in there. I want it to be a little bit thicker. Put that in there. I love lemon, anything lemon, and anything lime, anything citrusy, orange, whatever you got, I love it. Okay, now we're going to put this into our pie shell. There we go. Two cans of Eagle Brand milk should be enough. It's going to fill this up. Look at how that came together. In just a few minutes, you can have a delicious dessert that someone would think you've been slaving over all day long. What would make this taste even better is a homemade crust. Put a little butter and some graham crackers and a little bit of granulated sugar, and you can make your own crust. But to save time, semi-homemade cooking, there we go. We're going to let this set in the refrigerator, and then we're going to come back and put the topping on it. There we go. I'm back, and it's the next morning in Sadie's kitchen, and as you can see, our key lime custard set pretty good, and it looks good. And right now we're going to put our final topping on it, and then we'll taste some of it. I want to share with you what I did with the Cool Whip. I split it into two parts. In one part I put about, I'm going to say, maybe 3 tablespoons in the Cool Whip and stirred it up, which makes it thick, and it has the consistency, the feel of cream cheese. So it will be the key lime layer, and then we're going to put this cream cheese, not cream cheese, but it tastes like cream cheese, that's going on next, but it's really Cool Whip. And then we have Cool Whip with nothing in it to make a lighter topping that's going to go on the top. So let's get started. Mix this up. Once you mix, put that tablespoon of key lime in there, their acidity, you will see how it's going to really thicken up. So put this on here. Spread it out. Looks kind of like clabber milk when it goes on, but normally I would have a hot butter knife and this would spread a little bit better, but it's going to be good. So this would have 3 layers on it. And by the way, today is Easter Sunday. I want to say Happy Easter to you all. 2023. So whatever year you're watching this, whatever day it is, just know that you are being blessed. Got a little bit more here, and we are going to put it on top. Now, this is the lighter part of the cream whip, and we're going to put it on the top of that. I probably should have put it in a bag and decorated it, but this is going to be fine just like it is. Spread this on. This is going to be a delicious thick pie. I'm making this pie for my mother-in-law. She wanted something sweet today, so we have some sweets for Mama. We're just going to make this look really pretty on the top. Put a little swirls in there. I think I'm going to bring it all the way down to the side here. Let me go this way. Okay. All the way. To the sides. And then I'm going to swerve it on the top. Yes, yes, yes. That is so pretty. I know you can't see the top of it, but I'll try to hold it when I finish so you can see it. My cameraman saying I'm doing too much because he's ready to taste this pie. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm gonna set that over there. And now I have some zest. I have a slice of lime here, and I just cut it down the middle, each one and then set it on top there. And then we're going to put this right in the middle, like that. Okay. And now, make sure my hands are dry so the zest won't stick to my fingers. And we have some lime zest here, and we're just going to sprinkle some of it on the top. You don't want too much because that zest is sometimes a little bitter and you don't want to get too much of it in your mouth. That is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Put a little bit in the middle. Then when I plate it up, we'll put a little bit on the plate. So I think that's enough right there. Gorgeous. I love it. Look at that. Pa-da-da. Move that paper towel out of the way. Yes. Gorgeous. Right? Quick, fast, and in a hurry. All we needed to make this semi-homemade was to buy our graham cracker pie crust, and we have a container of Cool Whip, and we use some key lime out of the bottle, key lime juice, and 3/4 cup of the key lime juice in the 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. And that was all we did for the custard on the inside. And then we split that Cool Whip container in half. 1/2 of the Cool Whip container got a little bit of key lime juice to make it thick. And then we used the Cool Whip and the zest from a lime. And we are ready for dessert on this Easter Sunday. So put this down. We're going to cut it and taste a piece of it. And here's the final product. And I have some little friends who have joined me here trying to take my first bite. But Sadie is going to take the first bite in Sadie's kitchen. Look at this. It is so delicious. Key lime pie. Added a few blueberries and blackberries to it. And very quick pie to make. And we're going to taste this and see what we got here. Got a little bit of crust on the bottom. It's fluffy. You can see the 3 different layers. The key lime Eagle brand milk down at the bottom, and then the Cool Whip with the key lime juice, and then a little dab of Cool Whip on top and some lemon zest. With a little lemon there and blueberry. It's a perfect spring dish that your guests will enjoy, or your family, and it comes together fast. You won't be tired after making it. So try making this key lime pie. It's delicious, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Leave a message for me and let me know how you make your key lime pie. I'd like to know. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to eat this key lime.